everyone, welcome back to the future of AI. If you've ever tried face swapping before, you probably know how complicated it used to be. Training models, collecting hundreds of images, waiting for hours. Yeah, not fun. But those days are over, because this new tool called Higgsfield Face Swap can do all of that in literally one click. You upload one photo of yourself, choose any target image, and it instantly swaps your face, with crazy realistic results. What makes it stand out is how real everything looks. Your skin texture, lighting, hairline, everything blends perfectly while keeping the background, colors, and mood exactly the same. It doesn't ruin the image quality or give that weird AI filter look like other apps do. And the best part? This is what many creators are now using to multiply their content, turning a single brand photo into dozens of new campaigns effortlessly. Oh, and by the way, at the end of this video, I'll also show you how you can actually make money using this tool, so make sure you stick till the end. Alright, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into it. First, go to their official website. The link is in the description below. Once you sign up, you'll see this interface. Now, once you're on their website, you'll see the face swap option right on the main screen. Just click on it. If you don't find the option there, you can also access it from the image section. You'll see the face swap option inside that. Simply click on it. Now you can easily start face swapping your images. Let me show you how it works. There are two images that you need to upload. The first one is your photo. This is the face you want to insert. And the second one is the target image. This is the photo whose face will be replaced. So basically, you'll upload the face you want to insert and then the image where you want it to appear. Here, I'll use this image of the money heist actor. Everyone knows the professor. And for the target image, I'll use this Squid Game character. So I want to add the professor's face to this Squid Game actor's image. Let's see if it actually works or not. From the auto option, you can select the aspect ratio. You can keep it on auto or change it if you want. I'll keep it on auto for now. Let's generate it. It just takes a few seconds. Alright, here's the result. And guys, this is mind-blowing! Just look at the quality of the image and how perfectly it has swapped the face. Without changing the background or the original image, it swapped the face so naturally that no one can even tell this is a face swap. The realism is insane. One single click and boom, the face is swapped flawlessly. Now, just simply download it from here. Next, I'll use the same face on another image. Here, I'll use a Spider-Man image and try to swap this face onto Spider-Man. Let's generate it. Here's the result. And again, this is absolutely amazing! You can see it didn't change even a bit of the real image. It swapped the exact face while keeping the lighting, colors, and image quality completely the same. This is mind-blowing. I've honestly never used a tool with this much accuracy before. I've tried hundreds of tools, worked with a lot of them, but I've never seen results this perfect before. Higgsfield Face Swap is truly next level, and I can vouch for it. Here's another image I generated using the same face on the Squid Game character. Again, just mind-blowing. Let's try one last image. Now I'll change the face. Here, I'll use this actor's face, and for the target image, I'll upload Harry Potter's face. Let's swap it and see. Alright, here's the result, and once again, absolutely amazing! I'm loving it! Now, you can also turn your swapped characters into videos. Just click on the image. There, you'll find an option to make them speak or move, basically turning your image into a video. I'll click on the video option. Here, you can add a prompt. For example, I'll write smiling and posing for the camera. From here, you can also change the model of the image. Currently, it's set to Minimax, but you can select from options like Sora 2, VO 3.1, and many more. Let's try the Sora 2 model for this image. Then choose the aspect ratio and duration, and simply click on Generate. Alright, so here's the result, and it looks absolutely amazing. In this way, you can not only swap your images, but also convert them into videos. This is seriously impressive and mind-blowing. Higgsfield is truly an all-in-one tool that does everything for you, and I'm genuinely in love with it. Now, as I promised, let's talk about how you can make money just by swapping images. If you go to Fiverr and search for face swap, you'll be shocked to see how much people are earning simply by swapping faces. There are tons of sellers offering these services, and they're making great money. You can do the same. Offer your own face swap services and start earning from Fiverr today. So that was all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the Future of AI, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Also, let me know in the comments which AI tool you want me to cover next, and I'll see you in the next video.